In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively trim and split your layers to customize your project timeline just the way you want it. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's talk about trimming the start point of a layer. Begin by moving the current time indicator, or the playhead, to the point where you want your layer to kick off. This is where your editing precision starts. Once you're satisfied with the timing, the next step is to make sure that the layer you wish to trim is selected. This is crucial, as any changes you're about to make need to be applied to the correct layer. With the layer selected, hold down Alt and press the open bracket key if you're using Windows, or Option and the open bracket key if you're on a Mac. And just like that, you've trimmed the start of your layer up to the playhead. Your layer now begins precisely where you intended it to. Now moving on to trimming the end point of a layer. Similar to earlier, you'll begin by shifting the playhead to the point where you want the layer to conclude. This gives you a clear visual on where to cut off any excess footage or content. Once again, select the layer you wish to edit. This ensures that your trimming actions remain targeted and accurate. To finalize your trimming at the end point, press Alt plus the closing bracket key on Windows, or Option plus the closing bracket key on Mac OS. This action adjusts the endpoint of your layer to align perfectly with the playhead, giving your project a polished touch. Now, let's explore how to split a layer into two independent sections. This is particularly useful when you want to manage different portions of the layer separately, or perhaps remove one section altogether. Start by positioning the playhead at the exact spot where you'd like to split the layer. Again, ensuring the right layer is selected is key. With your setup complete, you can either navigate to the Edit menu and choose Split Layer, or for a quicker method, press Ctrl, Shift, and D simultaneously if you're on Windows. Alternatively, press Command, Shift, and D on a Mac. This action duplicates your original layer and makes a clean cut at the playhead. Post-split, you'll have the flexibility to drag or delete the portion you don't need, or tweak each half independently. Add movement, effects, or further animation as you see fit. As a final step, preview your work to ensure the timing and flow are just right. This stage is essential to identify any adjustments you might want to make before finalizing your project. Once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, proceed to render or export your masterpiece.